All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. Happy Wednesday wherever you are around the world. We're bringing you guys a day-to-day analysis that you guys enjoy. Please smash that like button, hit that red subscribe button if you have not already. But let's get right into Bome's update. See what is happening with Book of Meme and what we could be expecting as we do go further, into the month of April. So if we're looking at the markets once again, believe it or not, we did start off, the day April the 3rd on a positive note, but you're seeing BTC seeing quite a bit of volatility in the recent days. We did see Bitcoin once again going back below $66,000, which again is impacting the overall market. But if you're looking at Book of Meme right now, 1.61 cents, up 0.8% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 0.5% in Bitcoin comparative over the past 24 hours. So guess what we're noticing? Guess what this tells us? This is telling us that Book of Meme still has a positive momentum against the overall market, and that is obviously nice to see. If we're looking at the market cap, $1.1 billion and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at 870 million. So, what we can differentiate compared to yesterday is that the 24-hour trading volume on Book of Meme has decreased a little bit. But with that said, let's continue. But as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So I'm going to start off with the total meme coin market combined. So once again, you're seeing the market cap, that's combined market cap decreasing at a sharp rate. To be quite frank with you, we're down 12.2% over the past 24 hours. Market valuation in combined market valuation on meme coins is currently sitting at 59.8 billion dollars. So almost $60 billion, which is obviously lower than yesterday as well. And again, if you can look at the markets, you could clearly see 24 hours. Again, Doge down 5.4%. We're talking about, $1 billion at least that has gone, out of Dogecoin. You could see the Dog Whiff had also seen similar things, Pepe, so before anyone comes out and starts, making remarks about these certain projects, these big ones, you really need to look at the trend. You're seeing the trend, the overall trend in the top meme coins right now are seeing a little bit of a retracement, and that is because of Bitcoin itself. But of course, you see some projects here and there that are absolutely exploding. We're seeing Base, which is another ecosystem, meme coins on that chain absolutely exploding right now. You can pretty much see this for yourself. You are seeing Base coin called Degen up quite a bit, 200% over the past 7 days, and Brett as well. You're looking at about a 90% gain. So some of these coins are gaining traction, but in terms of the top big boys, I would consider in terms of billion-dollar plus market caps, you're only seeing Book of Meme right now that has positive momentum. You can see the last 7 days up 27.5%. And you can see it has positive momentum right now, believe it or not. I know a lot of haters don't like hearing this, and as you guys know, on my channel I keep it 100% neutral. If it was looking bearish, I would straight up say we are looking bearish, but as of now that's not the case. We're still seeing positive momentum with Book of Meme, which is a huge plus point. But let's continue. If you're taking a look at Bitcoin dominance index right now, it's at 54%, so this is increasing compared to yesterday. And of course that is in relation to obviously Bitcoin's volatility. I'm going to bring out the chart for you guys for the hourly time frame for you to really understand as to what's happening with BTC. You can see this for yourself. Bitcoin did make its way back down to the $64,000, which of course is a support line. As I've said, that kind of dates back, to March 17th. But we've pretty much been ranging here. You can see if I were to zoom in a little bit for you guys, we did see BTC go all the way up to almost 67,000, and of course, it's seeing a little bit of a pullback, which of course is impacting the overall market. But Bitcoin still hasn't retested, obviously below here, so that's nice. Obviously it's holding at that 64.7 support line, but I still think there's a chance that Bitcoin goes below $64,000, closes the CME gap, and then off we go towards the upside. That's what I'm projecting. Do let me know down below if you think otherwise. But that's what's happening with BTC right now. But if we're looking at Bome on the other hand, Bome is showing great momentum. You could pretty much see see this for yourself. Yesterday itself, we did see this 15.8 cents, I'm sorry, 1.58 cents, support line retested, and then off it went. It had a nice rally, about 18.5%. As soon as Bitcoin kind of started stabilizing for an hour or two, you started to see Bome really making this move towards the upside at 18.4 cents, and I think that is going to happen once again. Obviously, there is resistance. You could clearly see where it's getting stopped at. That we are seeing significant amount of resistance around that range, but if it's able to break out of here, like I've said before, a 2-cent price target is not an unrealistic price target to be aiming for. Let me just tell you guys that right now, that's a 24% gain. Right now, what you're seeing is quite a bit sharp support around here where we are bouncing back and forth. You're seeing a few bounces from this range, not one, not two, but 4 different bounces at the support line, and of course that is a nice indication to see. But like I said, pay very close attention to BTC. Right now, Bome is showing strength against Bitcoin, but obviously if Bitcoin were to go below $64,000, then yes, Bome in the immediate term will be impacted by it as well. But I think the momentum in the long-term perspective is on its side, short-term and long-term as of now. But obviously, Bitcoin's moves should be considered, and really need to understand how Bitcoin moves and the importance of Bitcoin. But 2 cents next target, and then once the 2 cents target is out of the way, I think the 2.5 cents target is the next one that we should be aiming for. And to be quite frank with you guys, I think if it's able to break out of this 2 cents resistance, which is a 24% move from the current price levels, I really do think the 2.5 cents level of resistance is not a super unrealistic target for us to reach in the short term. So as of now, the momentum is definitely on its side. Do pay very close attention to BTC. Obviously if Bitcoin starts pushing up to levels where it was consolidating at, I think we will see Bome really exploding towards close to all-time highs, and that's my personal opinion. Do let me know your thoughts down below on that. But as of now, I still have this gut feeling that we do see Bitcoin dropping below 64k, potentially getting to the support at 63.7, and then off we go towards the all-time highs. We're seeing a lot of manipulation right now. You want to really be careful. You don't want to be leverage trading, even if you're leverage trading in times when the market is looking extremely in upwards trajectory. You still don't want to leverage trade, because 99% of the time you will get wiped out. So still think the $63,861 support line, there's a chance of us to retest that, and then obviously that would close the CME gap, and then I think we are off to the races. But that's my personal opinion. Do let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section, and that's how I'm currently taking a look at Bome as well. Thank you for all your support. Of course, like I said, smash that like button if you have not already, and with that said, I will see you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.